Hi all, welcome to Physics for All.
What is nuclear fusion? Come on, let's explore this interesting topic in this video. Nuclear fusion is a process in which one or more light nuclei fuse together to generate a relatively heavier nucleus in which there is some mass deficiency that is released as energy, and the quantity of energy released follows Einstein's formula E is equal to mc square, in which E is the energy in joules, m is the mass difference in kilograms, and c is the speed of light. In simple terms, nuclear fusion is a reaction through which two or more light nuclei collide to form a heavier nucleus. Now, let us discuss the differences between nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission is nothing but splitting of a large atom into two or more smaller ones, whereas nuclear fusion is the fusing of two or more lighter atoms into a larger one. Fission reaction does not normally occur in nature, but fusion occurs in stars such as Sun. Fission takes little energy to split two atoms, whereas fusion requires extremely high energy to bring two or more protons close enough so that nuclear forces overcome their electrostatic repulsion. The energy released in fusion is greater than fission, and also fission produces many highly radioactive particles which harm environment. Fission is used in nuclear reactors and atom bombs. From the above discussion, we can very well conclude that nuclear fusion is the future of clean energy. But there is a long way to go. Don't miss the interesting and exciting part 2 video. Let's explore the potentialities of future in next video.
Thank you guys for watching this video.